Hello guys, this is AM and welcome to the channel. It's a perfect learning day for us. Lovely winter weather in Hyderabad today. This is my technically first video I'm shooting, so if there are any technical glitches, please comment below. So now let's see what Google has to say about Toeplitz matrix.
What is Toeplitz matrix?
According to Wikipedia, in linear algebra, a Toeplitz matrix or diagonal constant matrix named after Otto Toeplitz is a matrix in which each descending diagonal from left to right is constant.
We have seen what Toeplitz matrix is, and now let's write it down first and observe how I am writing the elements here. So with that observation itself, we will devise a formula or algorithm to check whether the given matrix is a Toeplitz matrix or not. And in fact we can extend this matrix to infinite times, but let's consider it as a 4x4 matrix. There is a pattern here. So these elements is equal to these elements, and excluding this element from the first row and excluding this element from the second row, we can match the pattern or match the elements, and if that is not equal, then it is not a Toeplitz matrix, and if that is equal, then it is a Toeplitz matrix. I have seen what Toeplitz matrix is. Now let's represent a 2D matrix in a 1D matrix like this format. So we'll call this as a input, and here, as we know, it is of size 4x4 matrix, so each consecutive 4 elements represents each row. So now let's see how we can check whether this input array, 1D array, is a Toeplitz matrix or not. So first we shall construct an initial array with which we will initialize the algorithm with, and that is input I of, so this is still here. Now as we have seen, we have to check this initial array with the next array. This is a for loop to move from this to end of the array, sorry, and we are taking the steps of size here because we have to loop all the rows one by one. So here we will construct a observed array which is of size, which consists of the elements I2 I plus size, which is in fact the elements from here to here. So we will take this append element that should be the first element of the second row, as we have already seen. So we will take this as, we have to actually take from the observed of 0, the first element of the observed. Next we have to check if the current array is equal to the observed array. If that's the case, the Toeplitz condition is satisfied. Hence we have to insert the append element at 0th location, and we have to make the current element ready for the next iteration. That is, we have to make the current element as observed of size -1. This size here represents observed array size. So if this particular condition is not satisfied, then we can say that it is not a Toeplitz matrix and it is not satisfying the condition. Hence we can terminate the loop and return false, as it is not a Toeplitz matrix. In the next iteration, the next row, that is this row, will be checked with these elements. So these elements will be checked with these elements, and this whole loop will be iterated for the size of the input. It returns true only if all the elements are checked, all the rows are checked. This question was asked in one of the Google interviews question. Isn't it easy? Yes, I will get more interesting questions like this in further videos. Make sure you subscribe. And that's it for today's video, guys. If you have any suggestions, please let me know by commenting below. And I'll see you in the next one.